What's up, community? I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about scammers. Don't get scammed. How do you not get scammed? And all these programs going around all over social media. Everybody's got a program. Let me tell you about my program. How I take $1 and turn it into 1,000 in 24 hours. Is that right? I don't believe you. So, my name's Eddie. I'm here to help you guys out in any way that I can to not get scammed, to not lose your money. There's way too many times in my life that I've lost money because I thought I'll figure this out. When it cost me a lot of money. I don't like losing money. I like making money. I like keeping my money. That's not the way to do it. Going out and just saying, hey, I seen this thing. It seemed cool. This guy says he's making a lot of money. This woman says she like making a lot of money. And I'm gonna give her $1,500 and she's gonna make me $5,000 by tomorrow morning. Sorry about that. I've been down similar paths like that. Young and dumb, uneducated, want to jump into this thing. Let's do this. Let's me and you, let's work together. No matter what it is. Not saying that I know everything in the world there is, and no, that's an impossibility. But I might know somebody who does. I've got a good network of people. Let's talk. Whatever you need, whatever network that I have is at your disposal. Pass it along to people, get you to that right person. Whoever it is that you need, whatever it is, if you're just getting started in network marketing, e-commerce, any kind of online business, if you want to become an affiliate, if you're already an affiliate marketer, whatever it is, let's talk. Let's have a conversation and see how we can help each other. I want to learn things. I guarantee you there's a lot of things you can teach me, and I'm happy to learn those things. Happy for that. Let's do this thing. Let's save you guys some money and let's make you guys some money. That's the result that we're looking for. Let's make money together. So I want you guys to reach out to me. I'm gonna post some links, some contact information where you guys can reach out to me and we can make it happen. Because all this scamming business going on here and trying to go through all these groups on all these social platforms, it takes a lot of time to find that one person. So let's get to where we know what works. And let's get to making the money that we're here to make. Together we can. So let's do it. When you guys are ready, I'm waiting. You see, I'm just sitting here, just waiting. I'm going to talk to you guys soon. Appreciate you.